Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hoping you all are safe and sound. I'm also keeping cool. Viewers, today I would like to talk about an important topic. The topic is the tips and tricks about learning English language. Actually, many English learners, they have the question that what is the best way to learn English language? And even they have asked this question that is there any shortcut way or is there any musical tricks and tips to learn English language? I am going to discuss this today. Before my discussion, I would like to tell one thing to the English learners. If you really want to learn English language, please watch this video till the last. I hope you will come to know the best tips and tricks about learning English language. So viewers, without having any delay, let's get into the main part of my video. Actually, from my experience, I would say there is no shortcut way to learn English language. Even there is no magical tips and tricks. What you have to do, you have to practice. There's no alternative way. You know, there are 5 components of learning English language, like listening, speaking, reading, writing, and the last one is thinking. First one, listening. You know, listening is an art. If you are a master in it, certainly you are going to be a good speaker, because you know, a listener is always a good speaker. That's why what you have to do, you have to listen to something every single day. When you have to listen, actually you can listen to something anytime, but I would say you should listen to something early in the morning, at least for 30 minutes, and another time is before going to sleep. And actually English learners, they ask what they can listen. Actually, you can listen to many things, any English contents like English speech, English news, then English song. But I would say that at the very beginning you shouldn't go for listening English news, because at the time you will find English so difficult. That's why I think it is better if you listen to some easy contents, like what you like to listen. Like if you like to listen to music, then you can go for listening to music. And if you like to watch movies, then you can watch movies. You know, from watching movies you can also improve your listening skill. What you have to do, that is, you have to listen to something every single day. You shouldn't give the excuse that you don't have time. If you really want to learn English language, and if it is really your burning desire to learn English language, then you should manage time. Okay, then the next one is speaking. You know, if you want to improve your speaking skill, then every single day you have to practice speaking. That's no alternative way. Then what you have to do, I think you should try to make new friends as a speaking partner. But if you don't find anyone as a speaking partner, then you can practice with yourself, because I think it is also another fruitful way to improve your speaking skill. You can record your video, even you can record your voice, and then later you can watch. Then you can find out where you have done well and where you have made mistake. This way, if you practice every single day, I think after a couple of days, definitely you will see your improvement. But it is better if you find anyone as a speaking partner. That time you can practice with them. Then the next one is reading. reading is also an art. You should make a habit of reading every single day, but I think you shouldn't read many pages if you don't understand anything or if you cannot learn anything. It is better if you read 5 pages or 10 pages. But what you have to do, if you can come across any new words, then you should learn the meaning of that words and you should try to understand the meaning of that sentence. If you follow this strategy and if you learn something new from your reading, then I think it would be fruitful way to improve your reading skill. Okay, so then the next one is writing. After reading, you should go for writing. If you write something every single day, then you'd be able to implement your vocab. What already you have learned from your reading, you could implement that vocabulary in your writing. That's why every single day you should write something. At the very beginning, you should select any easy topic and a simple topic, and then you should go for writing on that topic. Then you can select any difficult topic, but not at the very beginning. Even writing can help to improve your thinking power, because when we go for writing something, we need to imagine and we need to think. That's why I would say writing is an amazing way to improve our thinking power. And the last one is the thinking. From my point of view, thinking is the crucial part of learning English language. I think if you try to think in English and if you can make a habit if you can make it your habit, that time English will come naturally from your mouth. But it's true that at the very beginning you will find it so difficult, but if you practice regularly, whenever whatever you will think, if you think in English and if you keep practice this every single day, then I think at a time it will be so easy for you to think in English. Okay, so these are the components that you have to learn together if you really want to improve your English. Last but not least, I would say you should avoid something when you go for learning English language. First one is you shouldn't be afraid of making grammatical mistake. It's a very common thing to make grammatical mistake. Okay, and the second one is you shouldn't be afraid of speaking in front of other. If you really want to learn English language, actually, as a language you have to speak in front of other people. But in case of learning English language, if you are afraid of speaking in front of other people, I think it would be so funny. And by the way, it is so tough at the very beginning, but you should make that habit. And the third one is afraid of you shouldn't compare yourself with others, because always you will find someone who is better than you. That's why you shouldn't compare yourself with others. So it is my view. So guys, I hope you have liked this video and you have found some tips and tricks. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, and if you are the first on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get my next video. Allah Hafiz.